Going on, guys? Trey May 10 back for another Zox mystery pack unboxing. I just have one 3-pack to unbox today, and it looks like we got two of the newer packagings, so that's a pretty good sign that we'll be getting something from either season 1 or, you know, one of the new White Stars or a newer strap, you know. So I'll save that one for last, and we'll start with the one that looks like the old styling. And before I start that, I'll show you guys, today I'm wearing a pretty old strap called Third Eye. Really awesome design, I feel. I love this one. Pretty sweet alien. But yeah, without further ado, we'll get into the first one. And we got a strap that I already own called On Guard. Power is no blessing in itself except when it is used to protect the innocent. Jonathan Swift. And then on here we've got some pretty cool elemental dogs. So there's the fire one, the water one, and then the kind of like earth one, I guess you would say. And then on the inside it's got very similar that, and then the On Guard. I really like this one. It's got the good kind of Japanese, Chinese, we'll just say Eastern art vibe. And then we'll get on to the second one. And we got Warrior. I think I've actually unboxed this one for you guys before. In spite of everything, I shall rise again. Vincent Van Gogh. And that one's kind of like this rainbowy Celtic knot design. And then on the inside, Warrior. Nice big font. That's number 1111. I'm sorry, 118. 1118. And then the On Guard one was 964. Alright, last one. Hopefully get something interesting. Oh, I don't think I've seen this before. It's a White Star. Details matter. This is number 543. Details are the difference between the remarkable and the forgotten. We got all kinds of crazy kind of paisley, flourishes, and all kinds of colors. And then on the inside, a really nice kind of, almost looks kaleidoscopic, with the details matter. And there's our little White Star. Awesome. They also sent me a little Zox sticker. The first one I've ever gotten. So that's awesome. And I'll do a giveaway for you guys of Warrior. If you want this Warrior number 1118, go ahead and leave me a comment, and I'll pick a winner in maybe like a week or so, I guess. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See ya probably in about a week. I got another mystery pack coming.